Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the text field helper and error text in Flutter Android. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import the material.dart package. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called My Home Page. This is the My Home Page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _My Home Page State. This is _My Home Page State class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, first, we call the scaffold widget, which is the base, upon which we will draw other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget. Here we use our title variable as the title of this app bar. Then we set the body attribute to the container widget to implement some margins. Inside the container widget, we have a column widget. Inside the column, first, we have a text field. This is how we implement the helper text inside the text field. Then we use the sized box to keep some distance between two text fields. Then we have the second text field. This is how we implement the error text inside the text field. Let's run the app. As you can see, the helper and error text has been implemented in the text fields. The error text gives a red color border to the text field. So that's it. That's how you can implement the text field helper and error text in Flutter Android. Thank you.